What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm on the Audi A1 and we've had the car listed up for sale for over a month now. Loads of interest but no hits on it, so I've decided to do a little makeover on the car. I'm actually getting the wheels changed over for the Audi A3, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to spray paint the calipers in the time that they take the wheels off. So I'm just going to be a little bit cheeky and see if I can get the calipers painted while they got the wheels off. Wish me luck. Right guys, as you can see, this is what the caliper looks like. Someone's obviously painted black, so it was red originally. Let's get it painted up, man. Alright guys, sorry about the noise, but this is what it's looking like. Makes a big difference, man. I think I've got, what do I have? Brilliant red, so there's a brilliant red Audi. Nice and bright, man. So she's going to be looking good. And we have changed the lower arm, as you can see. So that's been replaced. And 1 second. And we have changed this rear caliper, genuine rear caliper for an MOT. So this has got an advisory-free MOT as well. Those are the wheels we'll be changing to as well. So it's going to make a big difference from them ugly things to that bad boy. So as you can see, they are red originally. So I might just leave the back ones. I don't want to mess around too much. Oh yeah, let's get it stripped around and get this side done as well. Alright guys, as you can see, we've painted the caliper looking stunning, man. Gonna get the back wheels off. We're changing the tires now for the other wheels. Let's get this side painted up quick. As you can see, there was red before, but when they painted the rims red, or black shall I say, you can see they just painted and it's slippery. So yeah, let's get these painted up and change the rims over to these bad boys. Nice. Alright guys, let's give this a nice little lick of paint. Take your time, no need to rush this. And just let that bad boy dry up. Alright guys, have a look at that. Red is looking stunning. So we've got that painted up. It's got a nice little one coat out of there, or two coats I would say. And come to the front with the silver alloy and the other caliper there. It's looking good, man. I wish I refurbished this though, but I'm hoping when it's cleaned up I'll touch it up. Should look good. Yeah, let's see what the car looks like when it's clean. Same thing though, man. Yeah, same thing. That's looking nice with that fresh caliper, bro. Legit. Alright, let's get this painted up, man. Alright guys, painted up, looking good. Two coats, really light coat. It's a fresh caliper as you've seen. So now they're all going to look good with red paint all round, silver wheels, tires looking clean, and we still got more paint as well for another set of calipers next time. But yeah. And there's them old wheels, man. So I'm glad they were done with them. It's a nice fresh rim as well. Quite nice condition, but stay tuned for the cleanup. Stay tuned for the cleanup, guys. Right guys, if you remember, they had some black flaky paint on it. You probably can still see that it does have it, but obviously I don't have any more caps, and I just want to get these on the car to make it look a bit more fresher. So what I've done is primed them, and I'm going to be using some of this here to give it another coat of paint, and then I'll be able to put these dust caps or wheel bolt caps back on and make the car look a bit fresh. So let's see how it looks. I think that looks alright, man. It's going to go nice with the silver wheels. I will show you the job when it's done, guys. I could have sanded them down and got a better finish. I mean, when you're far away, obviously, and they're on the car wheels, you're not going to notice it. I am going to order some new ones if the car doesn't sell. But for now, and a few hours work, well, a few minutes work, shall I say, really, I think it looks alright, and it's going to look a lot better alongside the silver wheels and the red calipers. So stay tuned. I'll finish off the video tomorrow when the car's all cleaned up and show you what it looks like. Peace.